How to make easy baked honey sugar chicken. First things first, let's preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Here I used chicken legs, but you can use thighs. Next, let's season our chicken with salt, and pepper. Next, we heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. And let's sear our chicken 5 minutes on each side. Once done, set them aside. And then we repeat the process for the rest of the chicken. Next, in the same pan, we heat 2 tablespoons of butter again. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of honey. And then we mix it well. And then we could add thyme and some oregano. And then we mix it well again. Immediately we transfer the mixture into a baking dish. And then we place the chicken in the baking dish with skin side down. Next, we bake them for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, our chicken is cooked. Now we flip the chicken, scoop some sauce, and we pour it over. And we're done. Thank you for watching.